over on Johnson Plastics Plus website. They sent me a cute little bear and the shirts to go with that. And I wanted to come over and show you guys just an overview. Now you can get the shirts for $3.31 each, or you can get a discount if you buy them by the bag at $6, I believe it is. But I just wanted to show you down here you have your overview and the details, your downloads for your fact sheets, your tech sheets. That's going to show you what you need to press it at and how you need to press it. They give you all, I had an extra page open, I'm sorry. They give you all of the information, but they have not only the bears, but they also have the elephant, dog, and the rabbit. Now, those three come with a shirt, and the bear does not, okay? But you get your shirts up here, each or by a bag of 6, and then they have these little baseball tees and the colored shirts too that fit both, so you can interchange and mix and match, and I love that. The ones here, the plush animals, you're going to get all of those same thing. You're going to get your downloads and details, but it comes with one shirt, and then your dog and your elephant, they also come with shirts. Guys, this is awesome. You can buy them by the case or each, however you want to do those. Again, super deals, and don't forget your discount code. When you use that discount code that I have left down below, then you will get 15% off of your order. So make sure you're taking advantage of that. Also included are your templates, and you get those templates, let's see, you get it in Photoshop, in PDF, EPS, and CDR. So several ways to get your template there so that you have it for your bear. Now I've already printed mine, and we're going to go over and we're going to press ours and see how they do. Okay guys, here I am on the overhead. This thing is so incredibly soft. I totally love it. I am going to be ordering a ton of these. I'm going to need these. How cute is this going to be? Now I'm just going to put Welcome Baby Boy on this one. If you want, you could probably do those birth announcements really small and put that on there. How cute would this be for newborn pictures with that on there, and then do one per month instead of doing those blankets. Do the 1 month through the 12 months where they do the photos. Those would be so cute. So make sure you order your extra shirts and do a project like that. Guys, that would be awesome. Mothers love those kind of things. So I'm going to go ahead and I am going to lint roll mine. I've already cut it. I am going to lint roll my little mini shirt. Make sure I have the front. It does have a tag in it. So you want to lint roll it. Make sure that you don't have anything on there, just like you would any other item. And I am going to use, I believe, my Cricut Easy Press on this since it's so small. But you can use your regular press, all of that stuff. Nothing special. Just make sure that you're getting a good flat area and that you're seamed. So if you want to use a pressing pillow, use a pressing pillow as well. Make sure you use your blowout paper, and I have a small Teflon sheet just for these things. So make sure you have all of your supplies. I'm going to press mine. We'll be back and show the results. Okay guys, here we are, and I did use my Cricut Mini to press this right here, and you do it on high. That's what they recommend for their infusible inks, which is a form of sublimation. I did notice that, I didn't notice it when I printed it, but there was something extra on my print, and it came out on there, but of course it's supposed to. I should have checked my print before I done it, but I'm happy. I'm going to live with it. Guys, this is so stinking cute. You're going to love these. The moms are going to love these. The kids are going to love these. But you can dress your little bear and they can change it. It can grow with them all the way up into their teens. Why not? Kids love these. Super cute. Guys, I love it. And it's so soft. And again, changeable shirts. Make tons of them. And get those out there. JPP, thank you for sending that to me so that I could show my viewers. They're going to love these. You guys have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next video.